Do you think survival is a bunker and a rifle? No. Survival is the ability to cook a meal from what others threw in the trash. In the 1930s, people didn't just save money, they hacked the consumption system. Today I'll give you 10 specific Great Depression life hacks that will save your budget in your life when supermarkets run empty. Life hack number 1, meat filler, the stretching principle. In the 30s, meat was a luxury. Housewives used a 1-to-3 ratio. To 1 pound of ground meat they added 3 parts grated potatoes, oatmeal, or beans. In conditions of inflation, this reduces the cost of a portion by 4 times while preserving taste and satiety. But what do you fry it in if oil costs like gold? Life hack number 2, liquid gold, fat collection. Not a drop of fat went down the sink. Fat after frying bacon or skimmed from broth was filtered and stored in jars. This is a free calorie-dense resource for cooking and a base for making homemade candles or soap in a blackout situation. Life hack number 3, victory gardens on the windowsill. The government urged people to grow food everywhere. People even broke up sidewalks. Vertical farming and microgreens. If you have a windowsill, you have vitamins that don't depend on truck logistics. Life hack number 4, packaging is a resource, feedbag revolution. In the 30s, flower manufacturers began printing floral patterns on sacks because they knew children's dresses would be sewn from them. Stop buying containers and disposables. Glass jars, sturdy bags, plastic, these are free raw materials for organizing everyday life and storing supplies. Life hack number 5, the 20-mile rule, local barter. When money lost its value, people switched to local exchange. I'll fix your fence for a basket of apples. Find out what your neighbors can do. In a crisis, your neighbor who is a welder is more important than your bank manager in another city. Life hack number 6, universal vinegar and baking soda. 99% of modern household chemicals are marketing. During the Depression, 2-penny cheap components were used for everything, from brushing teeth to disinfecting wounds and washing floors. Minimizing chemical dependence and enormous savings of space and money. Life hack number 7, darning as an art, mending. An item wasn't thrown away as long as it could be layered. The style of visible mending, decorative darning, appeared. Fast fashion kills your budget. The skill of basic clothing repair makes you independent from shopping malls. Life hack number 8, cold storage, root cellar 2.0. People knew how to store vegetables in sand or sawdust for months without a refrigerator. Energy independence. If the power goes out, your food supply in the fridge will rot in 48 hours. Learn to store things the old-fashioned way. Life hack number 9, community kitchen. Cooking for one family is expensive. In the 30s, neighbors united to cook huge cauldrons of soup for 5 families, sharing the cost of fuel and ingredients. Saving time and resources. This is the foundation of survival in conditions of severe energy shortages. Life hack number 10, trash inventory, the last bit. Cutting open tubes, shaking out every crumb. Soap scraps were collected in a mesh and turned into a new scrubber. We throw away up to 15% of product that remains on the walls of packages. In an apocalypse, that 15% is an extra week of life. Why do these hacks work? There's a law of thermodynamics, energy doesn't come from nowhere. In 2026 we spend money to save time. In the 1930s people spent time to preserve energy, money. In a crisis your time is cheap, and resources are extremely expensive. Switching to a frugal lifestyle is not a return to the Stone Age, it's optimization of your personal efficiency. The main secret of the Great Depression is not baking soda or gardens. It's a change in thinking. They didn't ask, where can I buy this? They asked, how can I make this or what can I replace it with? If you master this mental filter, no economic apocalypse will scare you. You will become a producer in a world of consumers. One of these hacks can save your budget already this month. Which one? Write in the comments. If this guide was useful, hit the bell. Here we learn to be autonomous every weekend. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the episode about how to assemble a water purification system from improvised materials. It's not the strongest who survive, but the most adaptable. See you soon.